Welcome to today's video, guys. Today we are doing BLT Bites. We have a special guest. Woohoo! It's game day. Let's go, Pets! Yeah. First, we need to preheat the oven on 400 degrees, and we are going to bake the bacon. Time to call in the reinforcements to assemble these BLT bites. We're going to assemble the BLT bites now. So we're going to take a piece of bacon, lettuce, tomato, and then a squirt of this mayo. All right, you guys are going to assemble them all up. You got it?
Yeah!
Let me see yours, Chase.
This is mine so far.
Where's your tomato?
I don't like tomato. Mayo man.
Mayo man.
Mayo man. Thank
Excuse me. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that recipe video.